If I knew of any reason why this vaccine was not safe for a pregnant woman, I wouldn't be recommending it. My name's Kate Highway. I'm the lead midwife for public health at Calderdale and Huddersfield NHS. I've worked here for the past 12 years and I've been in this role about 6 years. So I am very much pro-vaccine. I've personally had the vaccines, but I'm also very respectful of women's choice, and I do believe that each pregnant woman and each woman who's worried about her fertility has to make an informed decision. So the thing about being informed is to get the information from the right places.
When I was looking into the vaccine and sort of how it worked and what the pros and cons were, I looked at the Green Book, I looked at the World Health Organization website and other places like that, just sort of see the different case studies and clinical trials and just explaining to me on a really basic level how vaccines actually work.
So when I was deciding to have the vaccine, I listened to lots of different people. I listened to a podcast with a doctor who was talking about all the benefits of it. In the news at the time, there were lots of news stories about how pregnant women who had had the vaccine were much less likely to be hospitalised compared to those who hadn't had any, and that was a really important part of us deciding to be vaccinated as well.
You need to look for sources such as the Green Book, the Royal College of Obstetrics and Gynecologists. They've got a really useful page. All the information's up there, links to the studies, there's some videos, and they will only give you evidence-based information.
I think like most of us, I don't particularly like needles, but after I had the vaccine I did feel an immediate sense of relief. I knew it was the safest thing for me to have done for myself and my baby.